Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Is it just a headache or something more dangerous? How to determine an aneurysm of the brain is not too late. A large number of people do not exactly know how to detect an aneurysm of the brain. Given the fact that this is a potentially fatal condition, it is important to know what it is and monitor its symptoms. Brain aneurysm occurs as a result of the weakness of the wall of one of the blood vessels of your brain. As the blood continues to circulate in your brain, weakness allows the wall of the vessel to be pushed out. And as soon as bulge continues to increase, it may burst. Think, overflowing balloon that bursts. Then the blood flows into the surrounding tissue of the brain. Keep in mind that not all aneurysms are torn, so many people do not even know what they have. The most common symptom of aneurysm rupture is the onset of a very severe headache. In fact, the people who experienced this have equated this feeling to lightning strikes. This headache can also be accompanied by other signs, such as stiffness in the neck, the face tingles and a strong sensitivity to light. Some people also report that they hear the sound of boom when this break occurs. Other related symptoms include a feeling of weakness in your hands and feet, blurred vision and severe fatigue. But, above all, the painful headache that comes out of nowhere is one of the most popular and indicative symptoms. Who is at risk of an aneurysm of the brain? The Cerebral Aneurysm Fund stated that people aged 35 to 60 years are more susceptible to this condition. Women are also more likely than men. In addition, if one of your closest relatives was sick with this, most likely you too. What causes the rupture of an existing aneurysm? A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association showed that factors such as excessive physical activity, intense anger, defeat, sexual intercourse, caffeine intake and stress during bowel movements can lead to rupture of the aneurysm. If you or any of your loved ones feel these symptoms higher, be sure to seek help or go directly to the emergency room. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.